There are a lot of windshield wiper brands out there. We're here to simplify things. First, you need to check if you even need new windshield wipers. Best way is just to rub your hand along the wipers to see if you have any abnormalities. If you do, it's probably time for new wipers. Or if they look like this. Once you've made your decision, you need to measure your wiper blades. To find the right size for you, you should refer to your owner's manual or look at everyone's owner's manual, the internet. If you go to an auto parts store, there will be someone there to help confirm all of this for you. Just remember to bring your year, make, and model with you. Conventional rubber wipers tend to be simpler and cheaper. If you like these, stick with them. Silicone is our tech revolution gold standard. They tend to be the best at whisking away those pesky waters. They're quieter and even come with warranties, but also with a cost. More cost. But if you like rubber blades, there are also some great rubber blades on the market that are super quiet and super cheap. In regards to structure, there's beam blades. These are typically made with rubber and springs, and they work wonderfully on curved windshields. That's because they have a flexibility that adheres to your windshield. You should also be on the lookout for winter blades. These can also be beam blades, so don't be confused. Really, the only difference between winter blades is that they typically are made with graphite and Teflon to make them a little bit tougher. They also utilize a streamlined construction. This means less parts, so less things to freeze. They are more expensive, so don't buy them if you don't need to, or if you only get snow once a year and your city breaks.
Thousands of drivers stranded on gridlocked highways, paralyzing the metro area.
And now, to the brands. We have 3 levels: best performance, best value, and best cost. This is the Bosch Icon. It's our performance pick, and while it's imperative that you find wipers that fill your needs, this guy is an overall crowd favorite. They're a wonderful all-weather wiper that works well in snowy conditions, icy conditions, and rainy conditions. It also comes with this neat dual rubber lining. It's not silicone, but it still keeps everything quiet. It also increases blade longevity by 40%, which is really neat. And it's not a gimmick. It actually does the things it says it does. Double neat. Now, we all want more money, but this wiper gives it to us with a kick. It's a wonderful all-season wiper that's a little bit cheaper due to the fact that it's an independent supplier. Although from some people we've heard that they've had problems with any sticky residues like sap or honey. So just don't get honey on your car. Now, we all hate being sheep, but in this case, this sheep is cool. Like a mountain sheep. Rain-X is a great brand, and the Latitude is our cost pick. It offers even cheaper options as well, like the weather beater, but in this case we're talking about the Rain-X Latitude. Not to be confused with the Rain-X Latitude water repellency, which is actually cheaper than the Rain-X Latitude, but not our choice in this scenario. So make sure when you're looking for it, it's the Rain-X Latitude. Now if you want those $3 wipers from Walmart, we don't blame you. Heck, we bought a pair. And we're here to test them against the Bosch Icons. Take a look. Now you can see there are some small differences here. With the Icon, there's less water left over and it's giving a nice even stroke that leaves little behind. The cheap brand does well, but it's still left sloshing more than actually whisking. The real difference is in the noise level. The Icon performs much quieter, and also people have complained about small pieces falling off their cheap wipers, an issue you won't face with our selections. Whew! Well, that about covers it. With so many wipers on the put those down. Like we said, with so many wipers on the market, you have to make sure you choose the right one for your car. If you've been using the same wipers for a long time now, and you like them, stick with them. Just don't let them start looking like this. Let us know if you have any favorites and why in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out the blog link in the description. We have a bunch more wipers listed, and there's a secret little cheaper option in there for you. Also, check out the Fix tab. We have this cool new Wear Items tab. You can log in your windshield wipers, and then we'll tell you when they need to be replaced. Cheers, and happy driving, everyone.